Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model, and here we have a section view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments or subscription in your comments. Give me more to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, you have to close the model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now you have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come to the new part. Okay, now we have a new part. Firstly, I'm going to draw the sketch of the section view. Then we will revolve the sketch. So for drawing a sketch, we need a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three standard planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but firstly, we should choose the front plane. So you can choose top plane or right plane, but I choose the front plane at first. So click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now the sketch is open. We made a new sketch. Here choose center line and draw a vertical center line, and start drawing the center line from the origin point. So I draw a vertical center line and right click and select to exit the tool. Now choose line and draw a vertical line and a horizontal line, and a line here, a vertical line, a horizontal line, line here, and this one, and a vertical line, and connect this line to this one, and right click and select to exit the tool. Now choose this line. This is not vertical, so in add relation, give it vertical relation. So you can see the green symbols here. You can see it is vertical, or here the horizontal relation. If you can't see the relations or the dimensions, come to hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. So here hold the control button and choose this point and the origin point and give it horizontal relation. Now choose this line and give it for construction. In option, turn on the for construction and OK. Now this line is constructed. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this line to the center line, the mirror dimension is 44 millimeter, and the dimension from this line to the center line, the mirror dimension is 24 millimeter, and the angle of this line is 45 degree. So the angle of this line is 45 degrees, yes. And the dimension from this line, from this point to the point here is 12 millimeter. And the dimension from this line to this center line, the mirror dimension is 8 millimeter. The sketch is not still fully defined because the sketch is still moving. So we have to keep giving the dimensions. The dimension from this point to the center line is, the mirror dimension is 32 millimeter, and the dimension from, let me see, the dimension from this line, from this point to the center line, the mirror dimension is 36 millimeter, and the sketch is not still fully defined because these lines are still blue. So hold the control button and choose this point and this point and give it horizontal relation, and choose this point and this point and give it vertical relation. So the sketch is not still fully defined. So I'm going to mirror these lines to this side of the center line. Choose mirror entities, and in entities to mirror, choose these lines, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and the line here, and this. And in mirror about, choose this center line and click on OK. So here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 36 millimeter. The sketch is fully defined and everything is black, and the sketch is not moving. If the sketch is not fully defined, your sketch is not complete, and the sketch must be fully defined. Now come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, you can simply right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here come to the revolved bust and base. And in selected contour, choose this region, and in axis of revolution, choose this center line. And don't turn on these two options. Here must be 360 degree, and here must be blind, and click on OK. And we simply made a model with revolved bust and base. And here choose revolve this revolution, and in edit appearance we can change the color, for example, to green, or you can change the color of the surfaces. You can simply change the color of this surface, for example, to red, or you can change many different surfaces by holding the control button on your keyboard. So for example, I can change the color of these two surfaces to red. And in view orientation, we can change many different views. For example, we can change a view to this model, and here we can choose the section view, and here we can see the section view of the model. And in view orientation, I think this view is better. Yes, you can see it is exactly the same as this section view here. So I will leave the link of this dimension in the caption. Please practice at home and do it yourself. And I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing and drawing a sketch in SolidWorks. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.